This is a short video on how to set up and program a Curve Wi-Fi thermostat. Before we attempt to connect the thermostat to the Wi-Fi, please ensure that you have disabled the 5 GHz temporarily if your router is dual band, as the thermostat will only connect to 2.4 GHz. Once connected, you can then turn the 5 GHz back on. Now you'll need to download the Cosytoes app, which you can do by scanning the QR code from the first page in the instructions manual, and you can also access the app via the App Store on your device. So we'll just do a quick run through on how to do it. So we're going to go to camera on the phone, and then we're going to scan the QR code, and as you'll see from there, it pops up at the top of the screen. Simply click on that and then download the app. As you can see, I've already got it on my phone just to quicken the process up. And from this point, the next step is to make sure the Wi-Fi symbol is flashing in the top left-hand corner of your unit. This should automatically happen with all new stats. And if for some reason it's not flashing on your stat, there's a very quick and easy way to make sure that it's working properly. So just wake the stat up. As you can see, top left hand corner, it's flashing slowly, and we need this to be flashing quick. So put both thumbs on the up and down arrows and simultaneously hold those down, and you'll see F1 appear on the screen. Release the buttons and allow for the screen to return back to the home page. And as you'll see, the Wi-Fi logo is now flashing quickly, which is what we need to happen. So from there, on the mobile phone device, click Add Device, and then what you'll see in the top left-hand corner, Wi-Fi Thermostat. That's what we need to click on. So if you click on that, and then press to connect, and from here, you'll be reminded about the 2.4 gigahertz again, but with us turning the gigahertz off at the start of the video, we should be okay to proceed. So I'm just going to pop my Wi-Fi password in so we can move on to the next stage. So the password has been put in, and then we click confirm from there, and okay. And it's going to take about a minute or so just for the app to connect to the unit. So what I'll do is I'll quickly pause again so that we can speed this process up as well. So the device was added successfully. So from here we're going to click on the done button, which takes us straight through to the Cosytoes home screen. So as you can see there, you can adjust the temperature by moving the bar up and down, which is a quick way of doing it. Or if you want to be a little bit more accurate, you can do it 0.5 a degree at a time by using the plus and the minus buttons right there. So next we need to program your desired time period. So please bear in mind that there is no on or off function to control your times. The temperature will dictate whether the thermostat is on or off. We would recommend trying 28 degrees to start with. This may seem quite high, but the actual temperature probe is measuring the floor temperature and not the air temperature. So this is why we always recommend 28 degrees to start with. So what we need to do is click on the top right settings button there, which will take you through to here. And then we're going to go on to edit settings, which will take you through to your day selection. So as you can see, you've got Monday to Friday, and then you've got as well Saturday and Sunday. So you can actually do all the days at once, but if you wanted to have Monday to Friday different to your weekends, which a lot of people tend to do, you can do that as well. So I've actually preset my times. So for the wait time, always allow around about approximately 40 minutes for the floor to heat up. Once the temperature has been attained, the thermostat will then maintain that desired temperature. And what we've got is wake time 6:30, 28 degrees. And then for the leave time, set the temperature down to approximately 15 degrees. And the thermostat will then turn off. Unless the temperature drops below 15 degrees, the stat will remain off until the next time period that you set for that day. So normally that would be your return. So let's say, for example, you're getting home from work at 5 o'clock. The thermostat will turn on and the temperature will go to 28 degrees. And then your sleep time is when you go to bed, we'll drop that back down to 15 degrees. And then the thermostat will turn the underfloor heating off. Repeat the previous steps for the next time periods, which are on a weekend. If you want to do it for the same periods as the week, you can. It's entirely up to you. But this would be the same principle as well for an Android phone. As you can see, I'm using Apple. Everybody's different. The screen setup may differ slightly. It just depends on what model you're using. But that should be it. So for any further information, please contact the helpline, which is 0113 2577 588. And thanks for watching.